You, a 41-year-old man, David Davids. You are writing a book called Bucket Detective. Book is not good. Truthfully, you not care about write book. You not even like read books because reading gives headache from make think too hard. You are married to wife who is abusive. By abusive, you mean she not do perverted sex whenever demanded. To get perverted sex, you approach girls in street, but they not give it and instead call you creep and pig. This is why you is writing Bucket Detective. Famous book make it impossible for girls to resist sex, especially glasses girls at nearby community college. At dinner with friend of yours who have recent success in business, you say, "Writing book is hard. Is there not an easy way to write great book?" Friend of yours smile with mischief and says, yes there is. He hand you card with address and say, "Go here and do what asked of you." In exchange, you will get what is desire, and if you not like, you leave any time. You not think more than 1 second to decide this is plain, because it's much simpler than create good words on empty page. So, one cold and rainy morning, you arrive at address and enter front door. Two days later, you awake in hospital with pain surge through body. After long recovery, you return home with wooden finger, arm, and legs, but still you use wheelchair because it feel like racing game. When finally continue writing Bucket Detective, words flow out of you like water out of an upside-down cup. Within short time, book is finished and published and on many best book lists and selling like millions. With much success, you're finally getting young girls you've been want. Some even much too young, if you catch my meaning, but morality have never been your favorite subject. Wife, she cared for you whole time of recovery, but now best kick her out to make room for new girls. Meanwhile, major cities go up in flames and dark forces take over world. Many are dying, many are infected with disease and psychosis and put into slavery, but you is not so interested. All you care do is roll in chair and make penis spit with pretty girls. Life is good. Life is good. With baby in hand, you stumble into street and pass to unconscious. You wake up in hospital with caring wife at side, and her smile make you feel annoyed. Hospital people heal you and give you wooden finger, arm, and legs, and return you home. Wife is so desperate for love, she not ask where baby come from, but keep it and raise it as own. At first, you think baby cute, but now it only eat and scream and poop, and you regret take with you. A friend of yours that tell you about the house is much angry, say you ruined everything. He say that followers of Mishrael is broken up, and few that remain now selling t-shirts at mall. Your life not much good either. Basically just watch TV game shows and touch fiddlestick with wife out buying groceries. You consider to divorce wife, but then you must buy own groceries, which seem like major hassle. Baby grow up handsome and with much charisma, but with eyes of unfathomable darkness. By age of 17, baby have many devout followers, which start you worried because after save baby, you're not much nice to it. For example, sometimes you forget baby's name, which is considered impolite for dad due to child. The thing that sucks about pain is that it hurts, so you decide to leave before you get any more. When arrive home, wife asks why you was missing body parts, but you not tell her because, seriously, why women always need to talk so much. You work more on Bucket Detective, but it no longer worth it when you find out some girls say yes to sex if given money. They not too pretty and one give poison to your bedroom parts, but they is pervert when paid enough. You sell desk and computer and car to pay for sex, but after several months, things to sell run out. Wife, of course, she gone by now, and you realize maybe you like her more than you thought. On TV there is talk of great war that is coming, but oh well, best not to pay attention to things that not completely have to do with you.
I'm sorry, my child. Though your devotion has been great, you have shown yourself to be a fake. Deliver yourself to the cage at the far end of the room, but do not despair. Your death will be slow and painful, and your loved ones will soon forget you.
After a few minutes in cage, you realize, oh dang, this door never going open, and you regret taking orders from voice in the sky. You find pen and paper and write final words, which is, I am dying here, but wish I wasn't. After that, you simply stare into space and think thoughts which is so insignificant, they're not even worth mentioning. You make no important realizations about your life and is not even savoring last moments alive. After several hours of stare into space, you change final words to say, actually, it's okay to die, because I'm getting pretty bored. 6 days later, you get so thirsty, you go to sleep and don't wake up, and then you is dead. Come all this way and cut apart body, but leave without get reward. As you crawl down street losing blood, you begin to question why I do these things to myself. And for first time in life, you realize maybe I want pain, and I sabotage myself because I am scared to be happy. Maybe pervert sex demands on wife is to push her away because I am afraid to be intimate. You wake in hospital with wife at side, and she look absolutely beautiful. But if realizations is true, you must get rid of her fast before you accidentally become intimate. After breakup with wife, you find groups where pain and pervert sex are considered normal. And because you was willing to mutilate yourself, you quickly become most popular. After many years of mutilate, you was basically just face and vital organs, so girlfriend who is dominatrix must completely take care of you. One day, when she is cleaning desk, she finds notes for something called Bucket Detective. She asks you, "What is this?" and you answer truthfully, "I can't remember. Maybe it is some meaningless thing I never really cared about."